worried about your tea. Was that my tea? That's my tea.
It's your tea.
Go away. Come on.
Watch a cardigan.
Oh. I'm really glad those two came. Not.
No. I think that man would do better if he sold packets of duck food. Mind the tea. It's
No. Oh, God.
Just had a cap on it.
No, don't eat her jumper.
There's a piece of mud there and he thought it was a... You're greedy.